Ancestor, 100,000 pounds, 190 billion pounds. We need to be the second time I forget my money, slave my blood.
How much money you forget, Jerry?
100,000 pounds from Britain.
How much?
Ancestor, 100,000 pounds. And you forget it too? You're Jamaican?
Of
You're
course.
Jamaican? 2.5 million Jamaican forget 100,000. And 90 billion pounds dead. You must forget 2.5 million. And I'm here alone forget.
So, Jerry, where do you 100,000 pounds?
I'm my ancestor money and slavery.
But the queen gone.
Reparation.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, reparation money.
Okay.
Yeah, what go on now? Queen God? A 21 country, them are the head of state for, right? Hold on, yeah, what now? Queen Elizabeth. Them my money there. Slave master get. You cannot take yours. They go, wow, my one. So you can't take yours, you know. But I want to repeat money.
Jerry, who's the PS money?
England.
England, Great Britain.
You want to get money down there?
2.5 million. Then the message I go.
Alright, go and send out a message.
Send the message now.
Hey, yo, Britain.
Yeah.
No, you have to send the message in English. They don't understand what.
The English, my blood can speak. The English, I chat to you.
Say.
Hey, yo, you know what I know.
Yeah.
The 90 billion pound they did it. Me personally, you can't come one side and give me 100,000 pounds, you know. I'm an ancestor, I'm a slave money, I'm a repeat money. Cause me not going to know blood clot Africa. Me not born in Africa.
Jerry,
African language.
Jerry, English.
Blood clot money.
You can't cuss bad word in it. You have to speak
Jerry,
proper.
talk to him, Bella. Tell him say he need to state it.
Proper English, Jerry, they don't understand what.
A King Charles is a good thing. You
The kings
can't.
of kings and the lord of lords.
Yes, you have to speak properly. No bad word.
Them used to pay me, you know.
All right, ready
Kings
now.
of
Ready.
kings.
Ready. Focus.
Kings
Ready.
of kings and the lord of
Say
lords.
focus. Ready.
Kings of kings and the lord of lords.
English.
Now you mean a blood in the head. English.
All right. Sorry.
Hey, yo.
You can't say that.
One
like that.
again. One time, I'm going to say it's the last time.
All right. Ready.
Stand back, put that.
Proper English, Jerry, proper
And the Lord,
English.
stop chat to me. The kings of kings and the Lord of lords. The mother said, if you get 100,000 pounds, a billion thousand pounds, hurry up. Kings of kings and the Lord of lords, let me get it.
Right.
They can't come one away and give me my answer because they don't want for them money now. I'm going to repeat money. I forget my money. Because right now I have 6 grand pitney, 1 great grand and 3 pitney. I'm going to need the money to fix up the house. Union Jack.
Tante.
Yeah. Talk to Bella now.
How you take payment? How you take payment?
Where you want?
Them say, oh, you take the payment. Oh, you go want the money from King Charles.
Yeah, man. I can't give me not 2 payment because when I mean I want to give me
Western Union, what if you do the money?
Western Union? Western Union work. Shop number shut that. Western Union work. Terrorist number shut that.
So you want the money, Paul?
Hey yo! I want power. God deal. Them decide to give me my money when you get it.
No, I'm going to tell you what them talk. Me have to translate here. So them a say, Western Union, MoneyGram, bank transfer.
Them that work. Them that work. Shop number shut them there.
No, man, them a work. So them a say, oh, you got to take the payment.
Take that 2 payment.
There are 2 payments. Say one down there, correct it for them.
Bella, you have to go for the money and remember that you know. England, baby. I want what changing at the gap.
Yeah, me that guy there.
You go to England.
Yeah, my boss King House, but he been busy.
Yeah, I want 10 Downing Street.
Yeah, I go there. Remember me go for the money, but them busy.
Well, I go back for it.
When me go back to England.
Kings of kings and the Lord of
So
lords.
don't you send out the message. So me I make him collect the money for them.
I care what you want to do, you know. But if the kings of kings and the Lord of lords give me money, I'm going to bring it to me.
Yeah, so don't you bring the money, come and get the
To
money.
you.
So we.
We are drink out that blood cap before we reach, you know.
The one to your one, you forget. You forget
Oh,
to.
me never did forget me name born in a day time now when them a slave.
That's for man.
What have you bought
Slave for money. And you're slave, baby, you know. It's your China. Why not? Yes.
Otto.
Yo.
Yeah,
1.5 million Jamaican. Forget. 100,000 pounds.
When we forget we money?
And 100,000
We're
pounds.
going to negotiate it.
You forget money, me dog.
Hey, yo, I'm tell you something, China go on. Go negotiate it money.
Even as a Jamaican too, you know.
You're Jamaica?
Yeah.
You're Jamaica?
What are we at Jamaican, Jerry?
And 90 billion pound there. The Queen is the second say, it did up we get. And stop fuck with me head, you know.
Them a fuck with you, Jerry.
Your head, not mine.
But them a fuck with you.
Slave baby. They're not just another slave baby. Because you know, say you're slave pussy clot baby, you know.
You know, Jerry.
Here say, hold on. Here say, don't you have woman problem. Him right here, so we put up the flag, him have woman problem.
You have a man problem? I drink banana juice and roots. And me I say roots are known to mash and magnum. Cocky and solid and stiff. She love it. Bigger in her belly. The hood in her clothes.
No,
And when
he
she
have
this clothes,
woman
yeah,
problem.
mama tell me to do. Banana juice. It's the platinum powder you can me that you boil up that. The name
Tell me who that problem.
Jerry man never tell us I have problem with you. Who
Well,
did
I
you
tell him
problem with you,
something.
woman?
No, him have woman problem. I never said him body parts
Say
have
now
problem
matter the pussy
properly.
properly.
Mistake.
If you have
Yeah,
and you now fuck her properly in your problem, and she now get proper fuck and melt out that. In your land no. In your land, and melt out and tin. Oh,
And him right here, so him right here, say him not no woman.
He not
Him
no
single,
woman.
him live by himself. Dummy.
dummy, and you have money? Woman no have money, you go buy some fuck. Dummy go buy some fuck. I want money, man. Dummy go buy some fuck.
Him and him Atto,
Yeah.
him then at
You
him.
know, give woman money, or you get fuck.
Oh, so
I'm
dummy
not
not give
doing
the
that.
woman the money.
Me don't know.
Oh.
Dummy. Him dumb. Is that dummy that? Just him dummy, but he not dumb. Ain't it?
Sometime.
Sometimes you dumb.
Yeah.
It's not to speech. You got to speech. Hey, go drink some plantain pies and some banana pies and drink who's and no mash man. And give girls some good fucking of them because I'm a shatter man.
Alright,
And me can't send man go
him
woman go
him
work.
Atto, him
And I fuck pussy.
him was a soldier and him look like him left the army. Woman left him or something. Him have problem, him have issue.
I'm not chat here now. Hey, when one boy pick the band, 7 girls pick the band, so the man did have 7 wife and children.
So what the issue? What you have to tell him?
I'm not in argument money.
Look
If
at
I even go and a whore, you fuck her and get money, what not do?
look like them that generation and I get woman money, me think.
Oh, you get pussy.
Oh, so you have to get woman money to
What
get
you
pussy.
mean?
Oh.
Man want money. Man want, it's everything what woman want it.
No. My
Yeah,
friend,
you man money.
yes, when get designer bun.
Designer
Oh,
bun.
so him say
Yeah, you see the money them time right now.
have him woman left him.
Woman left you. Never have many faces. Man left. Anyone girl want left me. Hey, me Salaman did have 7 wife and children can't keep by them.
So-
In the loser war.
Some stress now, you have to tell
Stress
him
your
some-
pussy clot.
No, me I said don't you stress.
Hey, what dance up, man?
No. Me no stress.
Oh, yeah, him said that's right. Go out of it.
No, him just say cover up. That's why I'm about the class.
Hey, yo.
Him a cry now, you know what you
Cry what?
start
Hey,
crying.
yo. Hey, you ever broken heart of lovers? If you know, a broken heart is not a lover. Because a guy picking going to mash up with heart of hers. Or we. No, man. Hey, yo. Salaman, remember Salaman, same wife, Marvin and children can come out.
Yeah, the man Japan Rose, 35
You
years.
can
35
blood
years.
clot. Hey, hold on. Who sick up him? Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on there. Hold on there a little bit. Come like me half key. Hey, look here now. Come like me blood clot half key. Don't go for the key, Colombia. Let me send me next half a key, because I'm not wrong. Yo!
Hey, yo, Mr. Tia.
Yeah, me here, but me not gonna do that. Yo, me tell you something.
I'm telling you, it's back.
Me don't want to tell me nothing more. Me hear already. Me can't hear one time.
Jerry, how much you tell her?
No, hold on. Me talk now. Dictator, me talk now. You know what I'm going now. Our ancestors, the 2nd and 3rd generation, check
Double
food.
tap.
Them fuck and make quick. And fuck make quick. Come out of home out of blood hole. It's a pussy hole. I will get one piece out. Hey, me tell you something. Suppose they never that check free. The ancestors.
Jared, get to the point and tell him now.
Get to the point.
Yes.
Think platinum pies and go
Tell
fuck
them why
pussy.
you said that.
Why me I say? Well, hey, what you mean if you don't have no woman?
And
And when one pick the band 7 band, me not remember what you say. You remember when you said me not time to remember that? Yeah, butter the pussy. Alright. You ready for the baby?
Sure.
A baby love, you know. Must have baby love, you know. I love child right deal, you know. We have baby love, we have baby boom in there, you know. Girl, spread out your leg, man. Girl, wide.
So, Jerry, them not get no kids.
Hey, go dance.
Bella, you have youth, Bella.
Yeah.
What you down, Bella?
Bella. Shut the Bella.
Come
Look
back
at me.
up, no?
Bella, what you
Come on, a
down?
cigarette. Yo, I'm going to a cigarette.
I'm pregnant.
I lie.
Yo.
You been over 6 years now, and I can't see no belly. Bella, but I know Bella. I'm going to 6
No,
years.
them you talk about them not a pick
Me no business.
But Bella, you
Bella,
don't
the shall breed.
She says you're
No,
pregnant.
I can't see baby. You ain't never the same.
A long time, Bella.
No,
You don't
Yeah.
tell me now.
You don't have nobody.
Jerome.
Jerome, stop calling me that. Stop calling me that. Stop calling me, man. Stop calling.
I'm calling.
So,
No one know how girl in a trouble girl in to them a girl in.
You're not in the same boat.
Hey!
Yeah, she not have none. She have breed for 5 years now. I can't see no Bella, I can't see no Bella. You're not in the same boat. You know, come out.
Bella, how old are you, Bella?
Talk to my bonus.
hey, don't show it. Don't
Tell
show
them
it
the
in there.
age.
Tell them
Now
how
go
much.
take the money. When me I tell them that for, you can't tell them yourself. You not tell them yourself. Oh boy, you got me so give it to me.
Me a
Miss
29.
Diane.
That will
You're
fall off.
29.
Tonight will fall off.
Dummy, how old are you, dummy?
Yeah?
How old are you?
27.
We not ready for you yet, Bella. I want you.
Tajonia.
Still now 20s.
Don't you look like
What?
him at 30.
I'm not going to get no youth, you know.
Mr. Ira, thank you. What we can I get a youth?
I'm not going to get no youth, bro.
What
Why?
I'm not feeling right now. Right now, when the money not really up. But
You not really weird right now.
that man say you now we're when I broke pocket season.
Yeah, you not really
Only at 36.
Marlon.
Him look young.
Yeah, you not really weird right now.
No youth not really weird right now.
Youth are weird. Baby always are weird.
So how you now we're none?
Oh, I'm going for the baby this year. So Jerry, I give me roots and remember me say earlier and depends on the question when you ask me. I will answer.
Where do you find a man up at church?
So don't know what you say.
But what, Bella?
Oh, I think you said something. Don't you say something?
I don't really
Oh, Bella, like how you not a youth. And dummy and done and I'm a youth. What makes
I'm not you saying you're not getting none either.
a stepfather.
Oh.
what make you little pair up and go get a youth together? It's not a type.
Nothing wrong with dummy nice.
No, now we are talking. Mr. Ira!
Wrong with him.
No, nothing wrong with this.
Depends on the type of question.
Double chat.
And me say for a man, me can't see one look a pretty gift.
Bumbo clap,
Jerry.
Mr. Ira.
They gonna want look a
You
pretty
said that
gift.
money are the right man for me?
Mr. Ira.
Marlon, thank you. Chat, they gonna want look a pretty gift.
Come here. You think you're the right person for me?
Don't forget to tell you that. Stop calling me out.
I'm not
You know him?
No, I'm just show him. You think you're the
Who is
right
him? You have
one?
money, you have money.
Dummy. You think Dummy's the right one for me?
Oh, don't be alive.
Dummy. Dummy have money.
Don't have to have money, Jerry.
Dummy. Him. You
Yeah.
love him. You love him. I want to pick me for him. Pick me then know him. Dummy have to come introduce himself. Dummy come and me analyze you. Dummy check him out. You have money. You have about 10 million US. Because if you want she, you have to give me. You have a pimp. You have to give me 10 million US.
PIMP.
Mr. Pimp. You can't fuck her too hot. Let me shot when you do him, kick out that. You fuck me girl so hot.
How are you, dummy? How are you? I'm kick you.
Where She's the bride of Jack Killer. She's the bride of Jack. If you gonna take Bella from me, you have to give me 2 million US, you know. And me get one, and me keep one.
Oh,
I'm gonna marry her, you know. And say, I love her. She's a loving girl, you know. A good girl. You know, I want she for rich, you know. You know what? She had the man who beat her.
yeah.
I dead.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
You know, fuck with me head, you know. Love Bella fine. I'm gonna collect. Me a pimp, I'm a shotgun.
How much money he said? Much million he said?
2 million US, one female and one for Bella.
I want to Bella. And I cannot have her just like that. You're crazy.
Signaling.
So
I
Jerry,
love him to her. I have a breeder.
Jerry,
You want she pitney one
No,
time?
10.
No, you ever get her 10 pitney. Them coming out her home.
so Jerry,
Yes.
you ever meet a spouse for Bella?
Hey, Jerry, leave.
You ever met a significant
Well,
one
I'm
for
not
Bella?
gonna answer it.
No, don't answer it.
No, I answer it. I can't answer it.
No, man,
Yeah.
no, Jerry.
No, hold on.
No, don't say
Stop
that.
dictating me. Dictate up.
No,
Nothing.
that, no.
Hold on, I answer that.
No, don't answer it.
Bella capitalize for Bella.
Please, don't answer. Jerome.
Yes.
No.
Stop calling me that. No, stop calling me. No, answer it.
No, don't answer. Tell him next
So,
question.
all right, yo, no, next question.
No, that's
So you don't have no man.
Jerry, please.
Answer the question, Jerry.
Jerry, answer the question.
Sustain, hold on. Yo, better have a
Jerome.
Thank you.
My boss, my manager. Them for
All of my tappers, them thank you in the chat. Melo, thank you.
Mr. Ira,
Thank you.
Thanks you,
thank
guys.
you so much.
Yeah, thank you,
Certain
guys.
question in the answer, just
But
don't
me
answer.
no, me can't say.
I know what you can say, but you might not filter
You
sometimes.
can't assume me, man. Stop. I don't like people assume me, you know. Analyze me, but don't assume me. Like it in my head.
Alright.
Like you control my soul and my mind. All right. Go and do that.
Yeah, man, yeah, talk. Yeah, can I ask a question? I ask you something else.
Oh, yeah, check. She said sustain.
So where you say you never meet a significant other?
I love her, yeah. Better say to them to me, tell them the fuck.
Bella capitalize like him and answer the question now.
Like him and I one big man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't answer the question.
Yeah.
I'll answer the question. You know what I say? Hello, me out my me have answer Bella no want me answer. I'm a boss, I'm a manager. She don't want me answer, so you ever go to the country.
Alright, I want to go the manager.
The question now.
You give my opinion towards the question, my opinion.
Just leave that question there, okay?
All right,
Jerome?
deal with them, Bella.
Listen.
Have you ever
That
seen?
question there, right now, Bella.
You're my boss. You're manager. She take care of me.
That is it, Jerry.
If I don't answer question, you cannot do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Bella, me never see Jerry do a woman one time. I want to go and fear her.
Bella run away.
Hey!
Bella get rid of my woman.
Jerry, stop saying that. You know it's
Yeah, me call her
not.
name.
No.
What's your name?
I see me with no woman.
Don't make that true.
I'm not gonna leave.
Yeah, sit down. You can't sit down and me turn it.
That's what we see.
Jerome, stop saying me run with your woman. Because me
Yeah,
not run
we get
your
rid of
woman.
her.
Stop saying that and stop walk and tell people that.
Bella, where you run with a woman for?
The woman gone left Jerry before me even come at Jerry.
Never gone.
Triple chat. Triple.
Guys, triple chat, triple.
But don't Christian. Can Bella Christian, you know. Bella Christian, you know.
Use a triple chat. Triple.
Bella Christian.
Bella, you baptized?
Bella
Yeah?
Christian. Yeah, inside. And you want to tell lie. You can't say you baptized and you're not baptized. And John the Baptist start the baptism, you know.